So I thought I would go ahead and just paint everything and then show you when it's done. But I also would like to kind of show you how it's done. I've already cleaned the inside, de-rusted it, and then sealed the inside. I took off the old hinge, which just has like a rivet pin that you just have to use a small punch, and then punch out. And then you got your lock piece in here, which also has a big long rivet type pin deal that you just have to kind of smash. I use this really tiny little punch and a good size little hammer and just tap them out. And also you have to remove the petcock. I also got the Honda little badges. These are just pressed in to these little tiny holes here. So if you have some trim removal kind of plastic tool, like this type of deal, you just shove that in the crack and gently work it out until they pop off. So these things are expensive, so I'm probably going to clean that and then repaint it. It's hard to tell, but there's actually a dent here that's like 1 millimeter down, about 40 or 50 mils wide. And then we got a dent right there. You see that? Yeah. There's also a little tiny guy there, isn't there? Yeah, there it is. You can see him. So I don't actually know what that color code is, so I'm going to be using the lime gold. That is, I can't remember, what is that, House of Color? House of Color. So the KK02, CO2, I don't know, whatever that is. But that's the one that we're going to be working with today. I've also got the new side covers in that box. You just got to trust me, I'm not going to open it. And we got those side covers, headlight, and the tank are all going to get painted at the same time. I think what I'll do is when I get to the painting part, I'll take some still photos. As soon as I get this all sanded off or stripped, I don't know what I'm going to do, but as soon as I get it ready to paint, I'm going to do a 2K or a epoxy primer that's straight to bare metal primer.